Before using any cable-controlled functions, use the multi-camera control cable to connect the gimbal to the camera. For use with Panasonic cameras, after connecting, choose PC tether mode on the screen. The built-in focus mode toggle on the camera should be set to MF. To trigger the camera's autofocus, press the camera control button and ensure the camera's focus mode toggle is set to AFS, AFF, or AFC. For use with Nikon cameras, enable camera live view and set the lens focus mode to A. Then ensure the camera's built-in focus mode is set to either AFS or AFC. For use with Canon cameras, due to this specific camera system, switch to photo mode to take photos and video mode to record videos. To pull focus with the gimbal, you need to set the lens to AF mode and turn off AF servo. For use with Sony cameras, if the compatible lens does not support power zoom, you need to enable digital zoom manually to control zoom with the gimbal. Turn on the camera, go to the menu, Settings, Zoom, and select Digital Zoom to ensure the camera can be identified by the gimbal. After connecting with the Sony camera, first power on the gimbal, then power on the camera. For use with Sony cameras, set the camera focus mode to MF. Turn off the smartphone control function in the camera. Go to Menu, Smartphone Control, and select Turn Off. Set the camera's USB connection mode to PC Remote Control. Go to Menu, Settings, USB Connection, and select PC Remote Control. To pull focus with the gimbal, set the lens focus mode to AF. For use with Fujifilm cameras, to enable USB tether shooting auto, go to the connection settings, PC connection mode, and select USB tether shooting auto. Hit the like button if this tutorial was helpful. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description. Thank you for watching.